Ghanaians are fraudsters. See, they are all fraudsters. So Ghanaians, stop insulting Nigerians and saying, oh, Nigerians, oh, read the caption up there. You see? Okay. 3 Ghanaians are in police detention in Nigeria as we speak.
The news I got this morning shocked me, but I had a second thought. Then I'd be like, by the way, we are humans, right? So this is what came to me this, I think, few minutes ago about the arrest of 3 Ghanaians in Nigeria. Yes, for scamming. Yeah, for scamming. I don't know. But what came to my mind when I saw the title of this very video is that, why are you leaving Ghana, going to Nigeria to, to do scam? What is in Nigeria that you are leaving Ghana to Nigeria for? Instead of you to just stay in your country, waiting day there. When I once had to go Nigeria, disgrace yourself, Abi. Ghanaians, nothing dey Nigeria. We kept telling you nothing dey Nigeria. Waiting carry una leg go Nigeria. See, the same way I usually scold my Nigerian brothers when they are being found doing one thing and the other. The same hands I'm using to scold them is the hands I'm going to use to scold Ghanaians that are doing bad things also. We don't support that. No, I support Pan-African. So any part of the African country that something is not going well, I come out and I talk about it. You understand what I mean? Yes, I will give fault to whoever deserves the fault. But take carry una go Nigeria. People are running from Nigeria coming to look for a place to put their head. But you guys are rather trying to implicate, trying to make your government talk too much. Abi una dey carry una self go Nigeria. Hey, people don't appreciate what they have. Oh. People don't appreciate. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. People don't appreciate what they have. If not, waiting in Nigeria where una dey carry una self go Nigeria. Go do waiting. Go do waiting. Now look at the way you una disgrace yourself. All this talk, what would they talk about Ghana? Say Ghana, this Ghana, that Ghanaians are. When I start to go Nigeria, they disgrace us. When I start to go Nigeria, they disgrace us. What do we do, Wuna? Now you need to see the way they are mocking us. They are mocking, especially Nigerian YouTubers in Ghana. They are mocking us, telling us that I be in the Ghana when you talk about with that. The Ghanaians, of course, when you talk about with that. Now look at what Ghanaians they do for Nigeria. Hey God. So guys, let's get right into the video in order for you to have a better understanding. And at the end of it, kindly drop your opinion in the comment section. And we will be right back for sure. I have a lot to say about this video. This is just a glimpse of it. Let's get right into it.
Charlie, come, Charlie.
Okay. Now
so, Charlie, I understand that the Igbo king wants to have a kingdom in Ghana. I understand that the Igbo king was trying to form a kingdom, or he has even formed a kingdom in Ghana. So Ghanaians came on the internet and started insulting Nigerians, calling Nigerians all sorts of names.
You also reacted to the video. You are not in support, bro.
Read the caption up there. You see? Okay. 3 Ghanaians are in police detention in Nigeria as we speak. Yes, as we speak.
Do you know how many Nigerians get police station here?
In police prison in Nigeria. What did they do? Fraud. Yes, fraud. They even lied that they were Nigerian to CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission.
Really?
To forge documents, to sell shares, to dupe Nigerians. So Ghanaians are actually the father of fraudsters. That's why they gain independence first. Ghanaians are fraudsters. See, they are all fraudsters. So Ghanaians, stop insulting Nigerians and saying, oh, Nigerians, oh, criminals. Even Ghanaians are criminals. Even Ghanaians are criminals. In our net, in Abuja. Google this, just Google this by yourself. You will see the news. So please, nobody only pass. Money any lemon bani barawo. And a person with money not meet na be thief. Everybody not thief. Now the one with the cash na they call thief. Yes, now come. See that one. We come from Banku West. Wetin be the girl name wey face be like Ojuju Calabar. See her Gogu. See Gogu. See her face. That one they say Ogu kill people. If you see Ogu, you go wait. The Ogu wey dey cause say make e kill people na Benin e dey o. The Ogu wey dey cause say make e kill people e dey Benin. Come dey say make Ogu kill Nigerians. Me I no go say make Ogu kill na police go take catch una for Nigeria wey dey do bad things. Since una wan insult us. Because say one guy smart pass una. He was smarter than you guys. So I've been able to establish a kingdom in your country. So please leave Nigerians out of your matter. Leave Nigerians out of your mouth. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. You know the people that you have issues with. Deal with those people. Leave us out of it. And besides, stop calling Ogun. Ogun belongs to Nigerians. We have not loaned you Ogun. I don't know. There's no document where we loaned Ghanaians Ogun. Please, if you know any document that loaned Ogun to Ghanaians, please let me know. Where one lady. Hear her.
All of you, make Ogun kill your family. Make Ogun kill your children.
Imagine, she is saying Ogun kill somebody. Who give you permission to use Ogun? Who give her permission? Who gave her permission to use Ogun? Charlie, even though you say I like you,
Biafra, go and sit down. Igbo, shut up. You guys have 3 neighbors close to you. You jump all of them. You jump Benin, you jump Cameroon, you jump Togo. Come all the way to Ghana. And then now you want to build your kingdom inside kingdom. You think we are full. It's different than if you guys make your own organization, your own place. That's fine. You want to build your own kingdom inside kingdom. Are you mad? Are you okay? That is the same behavior you guys go and behave in South Africa that they kick you people out of South Africa. You want to build Igbo community, Igbo kingdom, Biafra school, Biafra church, Biafra hospital. So the owner of the community, they will end up coming to Biafra school, Biafra hospital. You think we are stupid? You want to run faster than your shadow. Trust me. What South Africa people did to you people is even small. Since you people won't think you have sense. Because Ghanaians, you think we are quiet. We are slow poisoners. So what you people want to start, you stop. You build your kingdom inside kingdom. It's different if you want to build private hospital, private school is fine. But building Biafra, Igbo hospital, Igbo school, Igbo community, Igbo kingdom, inside kingdom, you are mad. You will sort you people out in the right time.
Guys, what is actually happening in the world? There is a news coming up right now. I saw this news. Nigeria, Ghanaians are here dragging the Nigerians in their country. Also, Nigerians on the other hand is also dragging Ghanaians in Nigeria. What is actually happening? What is the world turning into? Everybody just wants to make quick money by all means. Guys, watch this video from the beginning to the end. And please, as you're watching this video, I don't want to say comment like, oh, it is Nigerians that teach these people. It is these people that teach Nigerians, because we are all adults here.
Guys, this is indeed a very sad news. Seriously. If they ask me that Ghanaians, like I ever thought in my life that Ghanaians will be found in Nigeria doing this kind of things, I would say no, because Ghana is very comfortable for you to relax and do 1 or 2 things that you want to do. It's better to do it in your country and know that, yeah, this is my country, than for you to do it in someone else's land, because the kind of disgrace and shame you bring to your country is what I'm looking at. Yeah, that's the direction I'm looking at right now. I see Ghana to be a very peaceful country. They have serene places, they have beautiful places. It's peaceful, electricity is here. So waiting carry wanna go Nigeria, Abuja. Waiting day Nigeria that made you leave your country to Nigeria. Why? I feel make I ask una this question. Waiting day Nigeria where wanna they leave your country, this country where we they see am like London. Why wanna they leave this country to go Nigeria? Waiting day Nigeria. You think saying a joke with a joke as they tell when I say Ghana better pass Nigeria, right? Do you know what it is to have peace of mind? Do you know what it is? Or you guys are not appreciating the fact that Ghana is peaceful or what? We are telling you guys, don't go to Nigeria, don't go to Nigeria. But look at the way these 3 Ghanaians go disgrace themselves. They disgrace Ghana in Nigeria to the extent people are talking to us that are promoting Ghana. We, the Nigerian YouTuber in Ghana, they are talking to us, telling us shit now. Now look at the Ghana we are promoting. They are rubbing shit on top of our face right now, calling us names. Why? Why? I know no country is perfect, and I always say it here that we talking about Ghana is this, Ghana is that. That doesn't mean we don't have bad Ghanaians. We have, or it's just that majority of Ghanaians are good people. So those people that are saying that we are promoting Ghana, saying Ghana is this, Ghana is that. Look at the 3 Ghanaian guys they caught in Nigeria doing scam, the same scam that Nigerians are being pictured, of doing. This is really sad. It is really sad, but what can we do, guys? What can you and I do? The deed has already been done. I just pray that they'll be lenient on them, because as it is right now, they will treat them the same way they treat Nigerian criminals. That's just it. And they don't take it easy on Nigerian criminals, so they don't take it easy, especially if you're a foreigner. They hold you with iron hand. It's even better, say, you be Nigerian, they go 1 or 2 families go come together and do, but who them get for Nigeria will go help them? Who them get? Which family where the Nigeria will go help them? Nobody go fit help these people. Not only God go help these 3 Ghanaians where they catch for Nigeria. Not only God go help them, because I believe that the Ghanaian government will not even put their mouth in this issue. Why? Because they don't support such an act. Ghanaian government did not send you to Nigeria to go and do shit. Did they send you? They provide everything you need in Ghana. They provided everything for you. So what are you going to Nigeria to do? Make I even check my mic if it's working, so that you guys go guess what I talk about. What are you going to Nigeria for when the government of Ghana has provided everything for you? Now greed go pie una. This is a typical example of I don't appreciate what I have. If not, waiting the carry una. Nigerians are trooping in and out of Ghana every blessed day. Not just Nigerians, but African Americans and other foreigners are coming to Ghana. You didn't say they no get I say see say something they Ghana. Why they leave? You don't want to be patient. You don't want to be patient and see what God go do for your life. You don't want to. Look at foreigners coming here and they are making it. So why can't you make it in your country? Why are you leaving your country to Nigeria? Who knows? Maybe now the Nigerian people that even change you guys to be like that. Maybe now there you go learn work. So you go learn Yahoo. You were a virgin when you left Ghana, and as you carry yourself go Nigeria now, they go teach you Yahoo. Now they catch you now. They catch you now for Nigeria. Maybe now they will set you up as a catch you now like this. I will not be surprised. Now your fellow guys where they do Yahoo with set you up, and look at what's happening. We are not done talking about the three Nigerians that hired that taxi driver and stole his car. Now look at another one. I'm really in pain, because Delphine Atumani HASHIM, I'm a pure Pan-African. Okay? So if something bad is happening in any African country, it hurts me. It hurts me, because this is not how I want to see things going in Africa. It's time for us to open our eyes and wise up. All these things where they happen, I feel it's not normal. Why? They never finish this matter, another matter come. They never finish that one, another one come. Waiting they happen. Maybe we should go back on our news again and pray. Let's start praying and fasting. What do you think, guys? If not, what's the meaning of this? Every time, every day comes with his story. They never finish, just another one will come. Waiting they happen for Africa. Waiting they happen. Our youth no one work again. No. They don't want to do genuine work, get money. Everybody they on top money when no belongs to them. Waiting happen. Fast money. I want to make money. Nah. And not even small, huge money. What's happening to our youth? What is happening to our youth? What is happening? Please, it's high time for us to open our eye and see the reality of life. This is not the life God wants us to live. Please, let's live right and be happy, okay? So guys, this is the news I got this morning, and it's a very sad one. It's very, very sad, but you know, everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.